Calculate the molarity and normality of sulfuric acid solution obtained by mixing equal volumes of 40% H2SO4 solution of density 1.32, 70% H2SO4 solution of having density 1.62. In the question it is given equal volumes of two solutions are mixed to each other. So let us take the volumes of the two solutions is V. So the resultant normality or molarity of the solution, when two solutions are mixed to each other, the resultant molarity is given by M1V1 plus M2V2 by V1 plus V2. Since here V1 is equals to V2, we know that M resultant will become equals to M1 plus M2 by 2. So let us go to this particular one. This is our hint in the question how to solve this particular one. Let's solve the data first. M1, let us find M1. M1 is equals to percentage weight by weight into density into 10 by molecular weight of solute. So if I am taking this particular one, it is given percentage weight by weight, that is 40 into 1.32 into 10 by molecular weight 98, which is equals to 5.38 molar. See, M1 we got. Same way, can we find M2? If we find M2 in this particular one, M2 is equals to same percentage weight by weight into density into 10 by molecular weight of solute. So which will be equals to, now the data in this case is given as 70% H2SO4 70 into of density 1.62 into 10 by molecular weight 98, which is equals to 11.57 molar. Now you know the resultant molarity is equals to, we have M1 plus M2 by 2, which is equals to 5.38 plus 11.57 by 2, which is equals to 8.47 molar. And we have molarity we got. We know normality is equals to molarity into valency factor, that is 8.47 into 2, which will be molarity into valency factors. So 16.9. Normality, so normal. 94 we can take here. So 16.94 normal. That is your resultant normality and molarity, where they are asking you to calculate molarity and normality of the solution. There is something they have, I think, taken the sum of the two, but the answer has to be 8.47 and 16 point. This has to be changed. 8.47 molar and 16.95 normal. That should be your answer.